any other table that we... And we still have the respect
of all the leaders. And you only found Uhuru Kenyatta.
Even the audience said Uhuru Kenyatta.
So we are not saying... Rigathi
Gachagua will be allowed to play politics with everybody else. Come, we compete.
Hajapata Mudhegi.
He has gotten one, watu wa Nyeri watasema ni aina gani walimpatia. Sababu they could have given him another one.
When he was,
inaweza kuwa namna hiyo. But the one we are talking about on top of everybody, ahead of everybody else, the was confirmed that it is with Uhuru. By the way, you may not know. Kibaki did not even have it.
It was never given to Kibaki.
Kibaki didn't have what Uhuru has.
He
was the president.
Who had it then?
You need to talk to the Wazir's, they will give you the story.
But who had it?
See, because the issue, the way you get it is not by because you become a president, you are being elected.
You must have earned the stripes. You must earn your stripes.
You have to earn it.
You must
and as this told me last night, the exam that you have to pass is up there.
Okay.
And it is not upon them to bring the examination standard drawer so that you can pass. It is upon you to climb up where it is.
Okay.
And so these are, it is not that we put Uhuru back into any politics. No. He's actually now playing
found his position
as an elder of the community.
Did he accept it?
And we will be going to see him when he gives us an opportunity to do that.
He's in South Africa right now.
When he is back, I'm sure he will get an opportunity to do that. But I have not had him reject, because these are also not, they are not, these are respectful positions.
Okay.
They are honorary things, you know, and he also has a responsibility, by the way, not just to the Mount Kenya community, but he has a responsibility to this country.
Okay.
There's no way you will see Uhuru and Lyra allow the country to go to the dogs while they are there. Any responsible person in State House will also need to reach out to them if he thinks they can be useful.
Okay.
But and even if he doesn't, for example, if we were to get ourselves into a known calamity, the individuals who will be looking upon to guide us will be who? They will be in the rights of former president, former prime minister. So some of these things you can also not decline.
Senior citizens.
It's an expected responsibility.
How does this act and this resolution affects the former president's benefits under the Retirement Benefits Act?
Anything that tries to stop you from or denies you the freedom of association, freedom of expression, is unconstitutional.